Hey, Corey, right? Press the button.
What?
Press the button!
What do you mean?
The button over your head. Please press it!
Why should I press it?
Because I had a matching button, and I accidentally pressed it, and now there are 9 minutes until the world is going to end if you don't press that button right now.
But how did you know that?
Just press it, man! Come on!
Okay, fine. There, I did it. Hey, are you okay?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Just, I almost ended the world.
How'd you know I had the button?
Oh, you're my soulmate.
So we're really soulmates?
Yep, they only do with matching buttons.
Wait, but I...
Trust me, on my INDEPE.